Imagine a vast field stretching out in every direction, a sea of green under the open sky. Rows upon rows of vibrant green stretch as far as the eye can see, each plant standing tall and proud, basking in the sunlight. This is the source of our pickles, the cucumber farm. Here, the journey of every pickle begins, nurtured by the hands of dedicated farmers. The air is alive with the buzz of bees flitting from plant to plant. These tiny workers play a crucial role in the life cycle of the cucumber. They pollinate the flowers that will eventually become crunchy cucumbers, ensuring that each plant can bear fruit. The scent of fresh earth fills the air, a rich, loamy aroma that speaks of fertility and growth. This is the smell of nature's bounty, a promise of the harvest to come. Farmers carefully tend to their cucumber crops, their hands moving with practiced ease and care. They monitor the soil, water the plants, and control pests, ensuring that each cucumber has the best chance to thrive. It's a labor of love, ensuring the cucumbers grow plump and healthy. Each cucumber is a testament to their hard work and dedication. These cucumbers are destined for a special fate. Carefully harvested by hand, they are selected for their perfect size and firmness. They will be transformed into a beloved food. The journey from field to jar is a fascinating process, blending tradition with modern technology. The journey from field to jar is a testament to human ingenuity. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality. These cucumbers are not destined for salads. These are pickling cucumbers, chosen for their unique qualities. Smaller and firmer, they are perfect for the brining process. Their texture and size make them ideal for becoming the crunchy pickles we love. Farmers inspect their fields, making sure the cucumbers are ready for harvest. They look for the right size, firmness, and color. Soon, the quiet fields will be bustling with activity. Harvest time is a busy period, filled with the sounds of workers and machinery, all working together to bring in the crop. The cucumbers are loaded into crates and transported to the processing facility. Each step is a part of a well-coordinated effort to ensure freshness. At the facility, the cucumbers are washed and sorted. Only the best will make it to the next stage. They are then sliced and brined, a process that infuses them with flavor and preserves their crunch. Finally, the pickles are jarred, sealed, and labeled, ready to be enjoyed by pickle lovers everywhere. From the field to your table, each pickle carries the story of its journey, a journey of care, dedication, and tradition. As the sun sets over the emerald fields, we are reminded of the beauty and bounty of nature and the hard work that brings it to our tables. The farmers, with a sense of pride and accomplishment, look over their fields, knowing that their efforts have borne fruit. And so, the humble cucumber, through a journey of transformation, becomes a beloved part of our meals, a testament to the wonders of agriculture and human ingenuity. The hum of machinery signals the start of the harvest. Large machines move through the fields with precision. They gently pluck the cucumbers from the vines. These are not your grandfather's tractors. Modern harvesting equipment is a marvel of engineering. Conveyor belts whisk the cucumbers away. They are sorted and graded along the way. Only the best cucumbers make the cut. The rest are used for other purposes, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The speed and efficiency are impressive. In a matter of hours, tons of cucumbers are harvested. The journey from farm to factory is carefully orchestrated. Trucks, specially designed for transporting produce, await their precious cargo. These are no ordinary trucks. Climate control systems maintain the perfect temperature and humidity. This ensures the cucumbers arrive at the factory fresh and crisp. The trucks embark on their journey, often traveling through the night. Drivers with years of experience navigate the roads. Their cargo is precious, a key ingredient in a beloved food. The success of the entire operation depends on their safe arrival. The factory gates open, welcoming the cucumber convoys. The air is thick with anticipation. Inside, a hive of activity awaits. Workers in hairnets and gloves prepare for the day's work. The factory is a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Forklifts buzz back and forth, unloading the cucumbers. Conveyor belts snake through the facility, a testament to the scale of the operation. This is where the transformation begins. From humble cucumbers to tangy pickles, the journey continues. The first step is a thorough cleaning. Cucumbers tumble through a series of washes and rinses. Rotating brushes gently scrub away dirt and debris. Water jets spray from every angle, ensuring no trace of the field remains. The water runs clear, a sign of the cucumber's cleanliness. The cucumbers emerge sparkling clean, ready for the next stage. Every step in the process is designed for maximum hygiene. Stringent quality control measures are in place throughout the factory. Only the best cucumbers will become pickles. The rhythmic whirring of machinery fills the air. This is the sound of cucumbers being transformed. Automated blades slice the cucumbers with incredible speed and precision. Thick cut, thin cut spears or chips. The possibilities are endless. Each cut is uniform, ensuring consistent texture and flavor. The sliced cucumbers move along the conveyor belt, ready for their flavor bath. The air is thick with the scent of fresh cucumbers, a tantalizing preview of the tangy treat to come. The transformation from cucumber to pickle is well underway. The heart of the pickling process lies in the brine. This salty, tangy liquid is the magic potion that transforms ordinary cucumbers into the delicious pickles we all love. Without the brine, there would be no pickles, just plain unremarkable cucumbers. Large vats hold a carefully crafted mixture. These vats are the lifeblood of the pickling process where the magic happens. Each vat is meticulously maintained to ensure the perfect environment for the brine to work its wonders. Water, vinegar, salt, and spices combine to create the perfect pickling solution. The balance of these ingredients is crucial. Too much salt and the pickles become overly salty, too little vinegar, and they lack the necessary tang. The spices add a unique flavor profile that sets each batch apart. The brine recipe is a closely guarded secret, passed down through generations. Each family or company has its own special blend of spices and ingredients that make their pickles unique. This recipe is often written in old, weathered books, a testament to its long history. It's this unique blend of ingredients that gives each pickle its signature crunch and tang. The right combination of spices and the perfect brine solution create a pickle that is both crunchy and flavorful, a delight to the senses. The sliced cucumbers take a dip in the brine. This is where the transformation begins. As they soak, they start to absorb the flavors of the brine, slowly changing from bland cucumbers to flavorful pickles. They soak up the flavors, transforming from bland to bold. The longer they stay in the brine, the more intense the flavor becomes. This soaking process is crucial to developing the pickle's final taste and texture. The brine bath is crucial, infusing the cucumbers with the signature pickle tang. This step cannot be rushed. The cucumbers need time to fully absorb the brine, ensuring that every bite is packed with flavor. The time spent in the brine varies depending on the desired outcome. Some pickles are meant to be quick and light, while others are intended to be deeply flavored and complex. The timing is adjusted to achieve the perfect balance. Some pickles are ready in hours, while others take days or even weeks. Quick pickles are great for a fast snack, but the longer brined pickles offer a depth of flavor that is truly unmatched. Each type has its own unique appeal, catering to different tastes and preferences. Time and the magic of fermentation work their wonders. Inside the brining vats, a transformation takes place. The cucumbers undergo a process called lactic acid fermentation. This natural process gives pickles their characteristic sour flavor. It also acts as a natural preservative, allowing pickles to last for months. The cucumbers slowly change color from bright green to a muted olive. The texture transforms too, becoming delightfully crunchy. The air is thick with the pungent aroma of vinegar and spices, a sure sign that the pickling process is working its magic. The pickles, now perfectly tangy and crunchy, are ready for their final destination. Automated machines fill jars with precision. Each jar receives the perfect ratio of pickles to brine. Lids are sealed tight, ensuring freshness and preventing spoilage. The rhythmic clang of the sealing machines is the soundtrack to this final stage. Labels are applied, showcasing the brand and the type of pickle. From dill pickles to bread and butter, there's a jar for every taste. The finished jars are inspected one last time. Only the best make it through, a testament to the factory's commitment to quality. The journey that began in the field, where the first rays of the sun kiss the dew-laden cucumber plants, is a story of transformation and dedication. Here, in the fertile soil, cucumbers are nurtured and grown with care by diligent farmers who understand the importance of quality produce. Comes to an end. Trucks are loaded with pallets of pickle jars, each jar a testament to the hard work and precision that goes into every step of the process. These jars are carefully packed and loaded onto trucks, ready to embark on the next leg of their journey. They are ready to be shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes around the world. The distribution network ensures that these pickles reach every corner of the globe, bringing a taste of tradition and craftsmanship to diverse tables and palates. From a simple cucumber to a beloved condiment, the transformation is complete. In the factory, cucumbers undergo a meticulous process of washing, slicing, and brining before being sealed in jars to preserve their crispness and flavor. This transformation is a blend of science and art, ensuring that each pickle is perfect. Whether it's a crunchy addition to a sandwich, adding that perfect tangy bite that complements the flavors of meats and cheeses, or a tangy snack enjoyed on its own, pickles are a versatile treat loved by millions. They bring joy to family gatherings, picnics, and everyday meals, offering a burst of flavor that is both refreshing and satisfying. The next time you bite into a pickle, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your plate. Consider the hands that planted the seeds, the care that went into growing the cucumbers, and the expertise that transformed them into the pickles you enjoy. It's a testament to human ingenuity, from the farmers who grow the cucumbers with dedication and skill, to the workers who transform them into a culinary delight. Each jar of pickles represents a collective effort, a chain of hands and hearts working together to bring a simple yet cherished food to your table. So, savor each bite, knowing the incredible journey it has taken from the factory to your feast.